Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's safety recap. Before we get started, make sure to give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you will find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. Well, let's go ahead and get started with this week's safety recap. I had the opportunity to visit several jobs this week and was impressed with the improved performance and safety. There were a few items noted, and I will cover them after a few words about the interrelationship between safety, quality, and productivity. Now, I read this article and it's called Connection Between Safety, Quality, and Productivity, and it's by ERIN, GASKIN, and it was written in June of 2020. It's a blog by Manufacturing Quality magazine. But I read it and I thought it was good, and I want to share it with you. In the world of manufacturing and construction, safety, quality, and productivity are inextricably linked. It's impossible to sacrifice one without sacrificing the others. When organizations put better care into maintaining their safety, quality, and productivity, they are also better able to serve their customers and protect their employees. Let's explore the relationship between these three important pillars of a strong, sustainable business. And here are the three pillars: safety, quality, and productivity. Too often, businesses will see safety, quality, and productivity as interfering with each other, while they actually operate in concert. Organizations must not think of safety as a nuisance, but rather as an incredibly important component to business success. Safety improves quality and productivity. When operations are unsafe, they aren't well managed. Employees will not be motivated nor mindful, and employee churn will be far greater. Quality and productivity both suffer when employees are under stress, unsatisfied, or unable to complete their mission. But when businesses are safe, it frees up employees to focus on their quality and their productivity. The safer the organization is, the less frequently the organization will experience large-scale disruption. And then quality improves safety and productivity. And safety is a measure of conscientiousness and proactiveness. High-quality work means better results and better products. The higher the quality of work, the fewer reworks are needed, and the greater overall productivity is. When quality is high for a business, it can be assured that standards for the business are generally high, including safety equipment, safety software, and safety processes. Productivity improves safety and quality. Carelessness is often what begets safety issues. With the appropriate and productive safety processes, safety can be improved and quality can be improved as well. The more productive employees are, the less likely they are to cut corners on things like safety processes. The more productive they are, the more likely they are to put extra attention into the quality of their work. As you can see, all three of these pillars really rely upon each other to improve upon the organization's outcomes. When one pillar fails, the other pillars follow. But when one pillar is strong, it strengthens the entire business. Companies need to take a look at their safety, quality, and productivity so they can explore where they may be falling short and where their business may be destabilized. Traditional barriers to safety, quality, and productivity. It's easy to see that safety improves business outcomes. Dangerous operations lead to lost time, injured employees, and a loss of morale. Nevertheless, many organizations fear that additional safety processes can take time and money. While true, it's time and money well spent. It's better to spend a small amount of money for prevention care than a large amount for emergency. In terms of quality, the primary issue is often expediency. Companies may feel they have to choose between fast, cheap, or high quality. When companies are forced to reduce costs, that would be cheap, and produce quickly, and that would be fast, they need to sacrifice quality. But sacrificing quality actually ends up driving up time and cost. Unsatisfied customers demand reworks, which can be upwards of 3 times the original budget. Finally, productivity must never be seen at odds with safety or quality. Organizations may feel that safety and productivity are mutually exclusive and that it's difficult to maintain a productive office with increased regulations and safety processes. However, the opposite is true. It's impossible for employees to remain productive in a dangerous environment. Now let's talk about creating a solid foundation for your organization. How can businesses create a solid foundation of safety, quality, and productivity? It begins with company culture. Employers need to foster a company culture that values all things, and it all begins with safety. Safety is essential to a business. A business can always improve upon the quality of its product and the productivity of its employees, but a business that is dangerous and unsafe can establish a negative reputation that will follow it forever. On with the recap. Fall protection. Falls are the number one cause of injuries and death in the construction industry. Let's ensure that our team members are properly trained in all aspects of fall protection, from warning lines to guardrail systems to personal fall protection equipment. Remember, 100% fall protection is required when working at heights of greater than 6 feet, and that anchorages must be capable of supporting 5,000 pounds. Let's talk about first aid kits. Let's ensure that first aid kits are easily accessible and fully stocked. Easily accessible means in the work area, not in the pickup truck in the parking deck or lot. Now let's talk about the PTP. There has been vast improvement in the filling out of the PTP. However, a considerable amount of pencil whipping has been noted. The PTP should be completed with the team members participating in the task, reviewed with and signed by the entire team prior to the commencement of work. Remember, the PTP is the most important tool on the job site. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's safety recap. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, toolbox safety topic videos, and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and remember, I will see you in the field.
All right. Yeah. All right, let's get this party started. Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's safety recap. Before we get started, make sure to give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos. Hello, everybody. It's time out.
In the world of manufacturing and construction, safety, quality, and productivity are inextricably linked. And that is difficult to maintain. And that it's difficult creating. Now let's talk about creating a solid foundation. All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox Safety. Bah. All right, flubbed that up a few times. Oh, hit stop.